Hello viewers, today we're going to be opening a present from a letter, more specifically the letter H, or the H. I believe this box should contain 2 SMC Fans. So let's see what we have here. I'm going to open it upside down because the shipping label is still operating in person, and the information on it is of course personal to him. So hopefully I wasn't supposed to open it from the top. Okay. This is going to be messy. Here's one of the SMC motors. Just going to put everything on the floor for now because the studio's got a lot of stuff on it. There's the other SMC motor. I'm not sure if both of these are branded SMC or if one of them is branded something else. Some guards. Oh, here's something of note. Take a look at those in a moment. I think that's everything. Okay. So, also in the box we had some bags. These are from False Value, and they are made in the USA. And they're supposed to be of very good quality, and I agree with them. They're very thick. They seem like they would last a very long time. Yeah, those are nice bags. I like that. It's funny, the other day I was looking through some old stuff that I had from like a decade ago or more, and some of the stuff was in a plastic shopping bag like this, and the bag was so thick I couldn't believe it. It's incredible how thin and flimsy everything has become over the last number of years. Alright, so let's start with, I guess we should start with the bases. Two bases. Those are the guards, I believe. Ugh, stop! That was awful. Okay. I hate unnecessary sounds. Especially annoying birds at 5 o'clock in the morning. Today there was some flaming bird making noises at 5:13 or something. I have to get up until 7:12, so I really didn't appreciate that. Okay, this one has some severe yellowing on it. Looks like it also has some tape residue, which is operating in person. I think this just clips into here. Like this. I remember a fan kind of similar to this one in, I guess it would have been middle school. There was a 12-inch one like this in one of the classrooms. I don't recall the base having this pattern, but it was a square base, I think. It's been a while. Okay, there's the two V-ends assembled, partially in the ways. Okay, here's the first one. This is the 16-inch one. It's too much tape on here. It's not necessary. The wrapping's not going to come undone in the box. Okay, oh, this has got one of the Flayman rings on it. I don't care for the way this works. These rings are very annoying to work with. I think it goes like this. You have to handle at the top. Okay, and then I'm going to need some of these here. There's also too much tape on this. Now there's two screws in here which have too much tape on them. And I'm not sure which screw goes on which fan, so you're going to have to tell me. Or not tell me, and I'll just buy whichever one I feel like. Probably doesn't matter. They look like they're a very comparable specification. Okay. It'll be interesting to compare this one to the other 16-inch one that I have, because I find that the other 16-inch one seems like it's kind of on the underpowered side. I gotta open it up and check the cap. I think somebody said maybe the cap is going bad, and that could certainly be the case. There's also a lot of theories that say the motor is the same as the one in the 12, and it just has a slightly larger cap. If that's the case, I can see why the fan isn't really the greatest. Huh. That was the easiest one of those has ever gone on. Incredible. Oh, this one has the ring too? Jeez. It's weird to see one of these blades in white. I'm so used to them being the dark gray color. I think that may have warped slightly. Maybe not. I don't know. It's kind of a weird, like, inconsistent shape. They're all like that. I mean, all three blades are the same. This ring looks like it's kind of yellow. That makes me a little nervous. I think there was a video, not from me, from the letter H, on this smaller fan. Okay, let's see how easily this goes on. To be loosened a little bit. Okay, so there we go. Both of these SMC fans are assembled. This one here, the smaller one, is the model the T, the P, the 1, the 2, the 1, the A. And it's from 2005. Probably sold in the summer of 2006. And then this larger one is model, what is the model? There it is, the T, the R, the 1, the 6. And that is from the 2002. Or actually no, it's not. It's from the 2000 according to the UL sticker. And the other one says February 2001. So probably sold in the summer of 2001. And it looks like there's some damage on the base here. I don't know if that happened during shipping or if it was like that. a minor damage. Otherwise, these seem to be in pretty good conditions. Both of them do. Well, I'm going to make separate videos of these later, but I'll give them a quick demonstration here just to make sure that they're working in person. Oh yeah, that moves a lot more air than the other one does, I think. Yeah, if this is any indicator, I think there is something wrong with that other 16-inch that I have. Could be a failing cap. This one seems to go a lot faster. There was two fans I gotta check the capacitors on. There was that 16 SMC, and then there was a Lakewood. I think it was the DX12. So I'll have to do that one of these days. Alright, and now for the smaller one. That's quite powerful. Huh, not bad. Not bad at all. And bearings on that one need some service. Okay. So there we have it. Two SMC fans and some false hardware plastic bags from the letter H.